back. Today we got a nice little gem for you. It's the Kyocera E6762 DuraForce. Once again, that's E6762 Kyocera DuraForce. It's a 4G LTE, takes a SIM card, and it's for US Cellular only. It does have a sealed-in battery, so please don't take the back off or you'll end up voiding the warranty. And here the power button is on top, so let's go ahead and power that on. And it's got a quick speaker function. Here we have the Kyocera E6762 DuraForce. It is a rugged, military-grade Android, and it's for US Cellular only, and it's 4G LTE. As you can see, the SIM card and the memory card goes here. There's a covered micro USB port here. You have the volume up and down buttons, and you also have a push to talk button, as well as you can program it for a camera or whatnot. And then you have the headphone jack, which is covered by a waterproof cover power button, and a quick speaker button. So let's power it up and see what it looks like. Of course, I don't have a US Cellular SIM card handy, so real quick, it vibrates as soon as you touch the power button. And we'll see what it does here. Now, in most of my videos, I'm just going to go to where it starts with the setup, because with almost every Android operating system, it's all the same. You'll just press your language, whatever you prefer, hit next, and then it'll tell you that you don't have a SIM card, and that if you want to proceed, you can hook it up to Wi-Fi or put in your SIM card. And that's with all Android, so there's no real need to go forward. And that's it. And it's a pretty handy dandy Android phone if you need something. You work around the weather a lot. It has a camera and a flash, of course, too. Alright, thanks for watching. Hit the like button below and also the subscribe button below.